Hello everyone. So let us discuss about the equipments which are required to formulate cosmetic products. So we try to use basic equipments as much as possible. The main reason is we have students who are homemakers, who are students who are doing college, and we also have doctors, we have beauticians, makeup artists from different field who are into cosmetics making. So we want to use only simple equipment so that anyone will be able to buy and use. Also we will be suggesting the alternatives for the same. So basically we will need beakers if possible, beakers in different sizes. So like this. So even like this to store liquid ingredients. And for soap making we will need plastic big beakers, which will be very helpful. So if you don't have this, you can always use stainless steel vessels which we use for cooking. So the next thing will be we will need spoons. So spoons which are used in cosmetics are not like regular one. It is very small to take the cosmetic products in small amount, and here also it is in different sizes. So this can be used for taking the ingredients, this can be used for mixing the ingredients. So like this. So we have different brands which sell spoons and equipment specifically for cosmetics. And the next thing is measuring spoons. So measuring spoons are always available in plastic also. It is available in steel also, which can be used. Next thing, for taking the ingredients and measuring them. So you can always use concave lens or this type of beaker for measuring the powders. So for measuring small ingredients in small quantity like 0.1 gram, 0.5 grams, 1 gram. So we will need a small scale, small measuring scale, which you can easily get it from Amazon. So we have different brands which is selling this. So this is just a generic brand. You can buy any brands from Amazon. It works very fine. Even jewelry measuring scale, it is very good. And for measuring, that is for taking the liquids, we can use a disposable pipette or dropper. Next, for mixing small ingredients together, we can use this coffee mixer, small ones. For color cosmetics, we use this. And at present, the overhead stirrer is in the main lab, so you can also use this kind of stirrer, which is there in every homes, like for cooking, blending the dals and pulses. The same blender can be used, or you can use a overhead lab stirrer, that is completely optional. So using this kind of hot plate also is optional. This can be used, or a regular hot plate or induction which we use in the kitchen, electric induction, even that can be used. So this is also optional. So for checking the temperature of the ingredients, you can either use an electric IR thermometer, or you can use a foot thermometer to check the exact temperature of the ingredients. Before mixing them, incorporating them, we will be checking the temperature regularly, so this can be used. So for checking the pH level of the product after preparation, we can use a pH meter, or you can just use pH strips, which is readily available in the market. You can just manually insert the strips and check the pH of the product. So we use different types of storage containers for storing the cosmetic products after preparation. So we will be giving you the supplier information. You just have to order the supplies and they will be sending it to your address. Also, we need different types of cosmetic ingredients for formulating the products. So we store the powders separately and the liquid separately. So this is the small lab. So in the main lab, we have a lot more ingredients which we store and use. So these are the basic list of ingredients which we need for cosmetics formulation. So it is not mandatory to have all the ingredients, all the equipments, everything in place for formulating cosmetic products. We always have alternatives which we can find it in kitchen. We can use stainless steel equipments. The normal things which we use for cooking in a day-to-day life, there is always alternatives. But when you move on in future, when you expand your number of products, expand the number of things which you want to do in the field of cosmetic science, so basically very slowly, one by one, you can buy all the equipments. You can set up a small home-based lab in your private space, and you can always explore new things, formulate new things. It is a very, very interesting field. So once you start formulating products, once you enter into this field, it is going to be more and more interesting day by day. So these are the things basically which we need for formulating cosmetic products. So hope you have got some idea about what we use in our lab during formulation. Thank you so much.